Welcome to our 2025 guide on fixing Roblox ping spikes. Let's dive into what they are and why it's important to tackle them. First, let's look at some common causes of ping spikes in Roblox, such as unstable internet connections and background apps. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed. Use an online speed test to ensure you're getting the speeds you're paying for. Step 2. Optimize your Wi-Fi settings. Make sure your router is positioned well and not obstructed. Step 3. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be consuming bandwidth. Step 4. If possible, use a wired connection. It generally offers better stability than Wi-Fi. Step 5. Changing your DNS settings can improve latency. Consider using popular DNS services like Google DNS. Step 6. Explore your router's advanced settings to optimize for gaming performance. Step 7. Always monitor the server status in Roblox. Sometimes the issue may not be on your end. To recap, managing your ping spikes involves a combination of checking your connection, optimizing settings, and staying informed. Thanks for watching.